Welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we'll be making something hot and spicy. I'll be making my own hot sauce right here in my own kitchen. So what we'll be using today is, let's see, we got these nice chili. So depending on where you're from, Southeast Asia, or we'll call these chili patties, but this is known as the bird's eye chili. So it's bright red and it's very hot. So in the Scoville scale, it's ranked right around the middle. It's around 50,000 to 100,000 Scoville unit. So it's hot, but it's not that hot. It's right in the middle, but this is good enough for most hot sauce. Of course, I cannot find Scotch bonnet or habanero here, but when I find those, I'll be making another episode again with those pepper. So let's move on and make some of these and see how this turned out. As you can see, we have lots of ingredients. We have chili pepper, we have olive oil, salt, black pepper, chopped garlic, orange juice. Most people use lemon juice. I like to use orange juice for this recipe. And finally, malt vinegar. Then we have some onions we will be chopping. So we will give it just a few cuts because we will be blending this anyway. So we reduce the size so it's easier to go into our blender. Let's have a closer look now. Okay, these are bird eye chilies. As you can see, they look like the regular chilies, but these are tapered and they're a little bit fatter, and these are mid-range spiciness. They're quite good, so it's perfect for this sauce. Now we got our blender. Now let's go ahead and pour everything in, and we can add our liquid and try to grind this all up and make our beautiful hot sauce. Now this blender is not very big, so probably all the chili will not go in, but that's fine. If we can get more than half in, this is more than sufficient hot. So we just added the salt, we got the olive oil added in also, that's about 1 cup. Then the orange juice, that's about 1 orange juice. Then we have about 2 cups of malt vinegar. And we top it out with our chili and see how much we can fit into this. Now everything is in. Now let's cap this off and set it on the blender and crush this. The blending has reduced a bit. Now we'll just top it up a little bit with some more pepper and grind it up some more to fill this up. Everything is all well blended. We can take it out and pour it into our skillet. In this case, I'm using a wok because it's nice and easy to heat this up with. So we just want to bring it up to temperature, about 175 degrees Celsius, until it's just simmering boil. Then we can just cook that for a little while, and then it's all good. Then we can cool it down and bottle it. Now our hot sauce is complete. Now we're ready to give it a try. So I've let it cool and I bottle it into this airtight jar. So I boiled this jar ahead of time to sterilize this. Then I add the hot chili sauce that I've made into this. As you can tell, it's very thick. I like it thick. I don't like the watery, soury kind. This one is just balanced and nice with a lot of heat. So we will give it a try and see how hot this really is. So I've prepared myself a chicken wing, and we'll get a handsome amount to put on it. My mouth water the moment I see this. If you can smell this, this thing is amazingly hot. Oh wow. So let's cap this back. So I will keep this in the fridge and I'll take some out every day that I need. So if it's kept in this clean container in the refrigerator, it should not have a problem staying in there for 8 months to a year. But I think I might finish this before that. So yeah, this is great. So we spoke about this earlier. It's made from this chili called Bird's Eye chili. Very spicy, mid-range on the Scoville scale, but I think it's quite hot. So let's give it a try and see how hot this really is. I got my chicken wing covered in this chili. So remember, if you're not the type that can take the heat, remember to go easy on this. I love the heat, so I covered this wing with a lot of hot sauce. So let's see how this is. Very nice, very spicy. It's not too salty. The vinegar is just balanced and nice. And the heat, like I say, is mid-range. So it's very hot, but it's not deadly hot. But it's hot enough for most people. This is awesome. I had some with my dinner tonight and I almost got choked on it because it went down the wrong pipe. So yep, so it's perfect. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see today, remember to subscribe. And if you have subscribed already, remember to hit the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that our new videos are up and running, so that you won't miss any of our episodes. So remember to click our logo to subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you again. If you have any requests for future episodes, feel free to message us and leave us a comment. And if you love heat, let us know what type of hot chili pepper do you like and do you make your own. See you next time. Bye now.